Good morning. Welcome to Life with Erica.
Life with Erica.
I'm Erica, and this is my niece Kira, who is staying with me. I told y'all in a post about it the other day about the floods, so they'll be staying with us for a little while. And she wanted to open my Ipsy box with me this month, so she's going to reach in and grab the first item. Don't look. Ipsy is $33 a month. Grab something. You gotta keep the box closed and just reach in and grab something without looking. Alright, now show the camera. This month is The Secret Garden. The little booklet that came with it. The first item, I believe I chose this, is Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Wet Balm. It's a highlighting face and body balm, and it's very closed. So let me open it. But I've been hearing, and it's in the shade Rose Water. How old are you, Kara?
8 years old.
And that's what it looks like. I'm not going to touch it in case I don't use it. It's very pretty color, though. Look.
Yes it is.
She's trying to be so professional. Alright, what's the next thing? Show the camera. Skin ink.
Skin ink.
My
day
dose of armor.
Armor.
Okay, now open the box carefully in case Aunt Erica don't keep it.
It looks so beautiful.
I like the bubbles. Do you like the bubbles?
Yes.
What color is it?
Green. And it's so beautiful.
Alright, there you go. Okay. My box this month was $189, I believe. What does it say?
Cheek.
Cheek treat.
Cheek treat. It's cheek.
By
T-Y.
Look, it says at the top. TYS. You got your hand on it. TYS Beauty. She just did her schoolwork, so I told her she could do this with me.
Here's what it looks like. It looks so beautiful.
What color is it? Can you see it? What's it say at the bottom? Does it say the color? Splash.
Put it back in the box.
That's the color.
Here is
Dr. Brandt primer.
I like the color of it, and it's so beautiful.
You haven't even used it, silly. Okay, now what does this one say? Kate. Somerville. Eradicate acne treatment.
How do you open this?
Hold on.
Here's what it looks like. It's a super pretty color.
This is an acne treatment for when you have breakouts that you can put on like the little spots. There's no more. It's got sulfur 10%. Treatment of acne helps keep skin clear. And it says you use clean skin thoroughly, cover entire affected area with thin layer 1 to 3 times a day. But I get like little spots, hormonal spots. But I was like, let me try that. So every month on the 30th or 31st, they take $33 out of my PayPal. And this month, my total was $189. This daily dose of armor strengthens and soothes, protects your skin against environmental aggressors with ceramide. Ceramide's good. It keeps some moisture in your skin. Licorice to soothe the irritation and balance the skin with vitamin B3. Tells you on the back. But I saw that and I wanted to try that. So the only thing I may not use is the Danessa Myrix thing. I thought it would be something different because I've been hearing so much about them. But
And here's the box. It's so like a pretty color, and it's like girl color, not a boy color, of course.
all right, what are you gonna tell them? You
Bye.
tell them bye
Bye.
and have a good day.
Have a good day.
What's Sunday?
Friday.
Sunday. What's Sunday?
Mother's Day.
So what do you say?
Happy Mother's Day.
Mwah.
Mwah.